Got Troy's Raptor in today, doing a Borla Atak muffler and X pipe. Should give it around 7 to 10 more horsepower and get that distinct sound. Let's take a listen to some before exhaust sounds, and of course give you guys the final product. Up on the rack in our shop, JT's doing the install. Take a look at the factory exhaust we're gonna be removing. There's your old muffler.
Alright, so what we have here is the Borla Atak system for this 2018 Ford Raptor. What we did was we took out the resonator and muffler all the way to over the axle dump. Put in this nice new stainless steel setup, dual muffler and resonator setup here. We go all the way from behind the catalytic converters back. We put these extension pipes in for the crew cab. This is all one-piece setup. Use retained factory muffler isolators there, and then back up over the axle we use the tailpipe from the original setup there.
Definite can tell throttle response is picked up. Just seems a lot more responsive. At speed, the noise is not too bad. I'm highly impressed with this kit. Troy's gonna love it. Can't wait to show Troy his finished product, and can't wait to do more to his Raptor here at Akins and Wild Willie's. Troy, you're gonna love it, my friend. Thanks so much. Have a great one. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like the content we put out on a daily basis to you guys. Much appreciated. Thanks a lot.